Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today I am going to talk about those who have been joined for the first semesters, 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB. Today I am going to give very good informative tips for your academics as well as for your upcoming LLB examinations. It will be these informative tips will be applicable for first semesters 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB. So after giving information tips, I will somehow will be talk about first semester 3 years LLB. What are all the subjects they will be going to study and what are all the contents it will be available for each subject. I am going to explain brief about 3 years LLB first semester. So I hope very soon Karnataka State Law University will be going to start academics for the first years, even as well as second year and third year also. So in this scenario, means within 1 or 2 days you will going to attend the classes very soon. So after attending the classes, everyone has a fear about LLB academics and LLB examinations, how to face the LLB examination, how to study and how to prepare the notes, how to manage the time. So there are a lot many confusions our students have. So in this video, I am going to clarify some of the doubts of freshers, especially who have been admitted during the year 2021 and 22. As you all know, everyone student has a doubt initially. For the first time, they are going to join in LLB. LLB is not a easy course. It's a quite little difficult. We need to understand deeply about the subject, and we need to have a proper learning about subjects. Then only we can able to pass and we can able to score in the LLB examinations. So after seeing these all aspects, some of the tips I'm going to share today. These tips are very informative tips. If you can able to apply, especially in your student life, definitely you will be going to successful, especially in the LLB course. What are all those tips which we have followed, and many of the students are also following the same. So who have been followed these tips, definitely they will be success in LLB. I have seen many examples. So that is the reason uh, in this video I'm giving awareness how to study about your LLB course for the first time. So anyhow, all students request to attend the classes conducted by the colleges, affiliated colleges of KSLU. Across Karnataka, there are many colleges they have. After attending the classes, whenever you will have a time of 24 hours. From 24 hours, students' job is to attending the classes and as well as they have to make their own timetable for prepare for their academics and as well as for the LLB examinations. How to prepare, that is very important. Time is precious. If you ruin your time, you cannot grow in your life. Time is very precious. We have to make time is successful in this 3 years or 5 years duration. First of all, when you have college going and coming, at home, what you have to do? First of all, you have to collect the syllabus from the college. After collecting the syllabus, you have to go through syllabus properly. In the syllabus, This is your syllabus. Karnataka State Law University. This is the syllabus. You can able to see here. This is across 3 years LLP syllabus. This is your syllabus. From first semester, you will have a 6 subjects, 5 subjects law related subjects, and one subject is English. Who will be writing in Kannada? For them, English is a mandatory subject to write. So, who are all writing in English? They need not to write English subject. They will have an option to write in Kannada, that too in second semester. That you need to know very importantly. So many of the students are not aware about. They are thinking English is everyone we have to write. But overall writing in Kannada medium, for them English is mandatory in the first semester. Okay. After that, after collecting your syllabus, for each subject there is a objectives of subject. You can able to see here. This is the objective. What do you call? This is the objective. You have to understand what is objective of this subject. If you understand this objective of the subject, definitely you will have a micro level of the subject. So you need to understand macro level first. Objectives means what are the objectives this subject has, and what are the contents inside. You have to go through each and every content. Every subject, they have their own objectives, and there are 5 units will be available for each subject. 5 subject, all subjects, each subject has 5 units. So among 5 units, in university examinations, you will have a 80 marks theory and 20 marks practical. From 80 marks theory, you will have 10 questions of 10 marks questions, and 6 marks question of 10 questions. Among 20 questions, you have to write 10 questions. You will have a multiple options to write 10 marks question and 6 marks questions. So this is how it is your syllabus, and as well as about your examination pattern. And 20 marks would be internal assessment will be given by college, and as well as internal test will be conducted by the college, that will be carry 20 marks. 80 marks will be theory and 20 marks will be the practical, and as well as your internal assessment and internal tests. So how to prepare after collection of your syllabus, how to prepare for your own notes, and what are all the books we need to study about each subject. You can able to see here in the syllabus itself, you will have a reference books and prescribed books. You can able to see here. In the syllabus itself, they have mentioned prescribed book and reference books. These books can be referred for each subject. These subjects, especially these books are available at your college library. We can take from the textbooks from the colleges, as well as we can, if you have financially good condition, you can purchase those books. That is very important, first step. Then second step is, you have collected the syllabus. and you have been purchased the books as or else you need to collect it book from your college. After that, what you have to do is you will have a syllabus. You have gone through your syllabus, particularly for each subject you will have a 5 units. So you have to go through properly your syllabus. Then after, you have to collect minimum 5 to 6 years of previous question papers. Why we have to collect 5 to 6 years previous question papers means you will come to know what are all the questions will be asked for in the each unit, or in the subject wise you will come to know what are the questions can be asked in the university examinations. So if you just go through your textbook, you will come to know, you can understand somehow, but what are the questions can be asked in the semester's examination, so that you can identify those answers for yourself, or else you can prepare your own notes. Why writing notes is important, that also I will tell you later. So you can prepare your own notes for those important questions, like 5 to 6 years previous question paper you have downloaded, and you have to write those questions in one book. Then after that you have to make answers for you yourself. That is very important. How why to write your notes, that is very important. Why? Because your writing skills will be improved. In 3 hours of time, you have to write 10 marks question 5 and 6 marks question 5. In within 3 hours of time, you have to write minimum 30 to 35 pages in the university examinations. So in that time, your writing should be very speed. So if you write practice at least notes at home, you definitely your communication skills will be get improved. You see, this is my own experience and my own thoughts I am sharing with you all. Writing notes also is very important to improve your writing skills, and as well as if you write, at least you will gain some knowledge, and it is very easily get into your mind, the especially answers. So this is how you have to do is first second step. Then after, at least every day minimum, actually student has to study minimum, sorry, maximum, minimum is 2 hours and maximum 5 hours. So at least minimum 2 to 3 hours you have to spend for your studies. So if you spend 2 to 3 hours a day, it is very easy to write your examinations, and you can score like excellent grade, outstanding grade you can able to score in the university examination. So that is the reason it is very important. So these are the very good tips I can able to explain in this video. And one more thing, I have told initially what all the subjects will be covered under first semester 3 years LLB. You will have 6 subjects. One subject is for English subject, oral writing in Kannada medium. For them, it is applicable. Oral writing in English, so English subject is not applicable. First subject is Constitution Law 1, and second subject is Contract 1. Third subject is Law of Torts. Fourth subject is Family Law 1 or Hindu Law. Fifth subject is Criminal Law 1 or Indian Penal Code. These are the 5 subjects. So in next video, I can able to explain in deep subject wise, so that you can able to understand each subject and what are the units in the each subject. I can able to tell in the another video. Due to time constraint, I am not able to speak all those things deeply, because it is required minimum half an hour to explain all subjects. Because if you have the basic things about the subjects, if you understand the fundamentals of basics, what do you call that, you if you can understand, it is very easy to read further. So that is the reason, in another video definitely I will make the entire syllabus, I will be cover, like first semester. Then if it is required for second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, that also I can able to explain later. So this is how you have to make at least minimum 2 hours a day. It's required your studies, and please prepare your own notes if it is possible. It is very important. If you prepare well for your own notes, in the examination time, you can save time. If you can able to save time in the examination, you can read very well and you can write very well in the examinations. You can able to score excellent or outstanding grade, and even in the first attempt itself you can able to pass. My sincere advice to all first year students, especially those who have been joined for the first semester, request to all, please pass all the subjects in the first attempt itself. If you keep pending backlog subjects, it is very difficult to pass your LLB examinations. My advice is to all, first semester, the first semester is to be clear, second semester, the second semester to be clear, and third semester like that. If you don't keep any pending backlog subjects, especially in LLB examinations, if you keep pending backlogs, I will tell you what will be going to happen. So further, next semester there will be a 5 subjects. Again, you have failed in the first semester itself 3 to 4 means. Again, you have to write 3 to 4 and as well as 5. It will be overburden to your mind and overburden to you. So that is the reason you have to freshly you have to go, and first attempt itself you have to get pass, pass, pass. Then only you can able to complete within a stipulated of time of 3 years. After 3 years, again, if you continue with the same means, it will be spoil your time. Especially time is precious, as I told you. Within a 3 year, you please complete it your LLB. Then after that, you can be able to practice, or you can go for a LLM, you can go for some other jobs, whatever you require, yeah, whatever you feel. That is very important. Don't waste your time, and please be pass in the first attempt itself. Like this, I am going to give many videos in future also. Please do subscribe my channel, Anil Kumar KT, LLP coach and motivational speaker, so that I can motivate like this. Any kind of questions related to LLP, you can comment in my below YouTube channel, so that I can read your question, and I can able to prepare myself, and I can able to give video. uh, I need to clarify your doubts. So there are many things I can able to do in this platform, especially. So that is the reason I am requesting you all, please to subscribe my channel Anil Kumar KT, so that you will get notified like these videos. Thank you.